Hello, welcome to How to Win CompXM Top 10 Winning Tips. Win CompXM Lesson 3 to get the top result 900 to 990 IND. This video shows you the details of IND, the most important decision in CompXM to pass and get the top result. Update and add new product. You started CompXM with 4 products. You can add 4 new products. You have 8 products and increase performance inside each round. Increase performance inside chart. I show you the detail now. Right? You have 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, elite, right? And then each round we need to increase performance inside for 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, elite, right? Performance inside here. But remember, you need to combine table 2 here and table 3 here together to get because you cannot use the number in table 2. You need to update in table 3. You can download the Excel file here to calculate for 8 rounds. Remember, do not copy the number. I will say that 10 times. Do not copy the number because the number is different from student to student. You need to check industry condition report here and get this number and copy and paste into the Excel file to update that with your number. So I mark start here, and then you get 4 rounds for CompXM to easy. So need to update to IND. So IND most important thing. Remember to check the Korea report here to check the Korea report. Here's the report for round 4. You can see that after 4 rounds we have 8 products, not just 4, and then you get top sale and top profit. Top sale and top profit here, right? Top sale and top profit here. Here your stock price going up very fast. Top 186 and top sales around here, right? Top sale much higher than competitors, right? So remember to update and add new product each round using the Excel file here. Excel file come from industry condition report. Right? So if you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1, right? Round 1 and quiz 1. So IND again, IND most important thing. If you have any question, you can send the email, or you get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1, free Excel file for round 5 quizzes. Or if you want the support to guide, you can book 1 hour Zoom to guide for own rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.